Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Radworks token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Radworks RAD is a community governed network building a sovereign decentralized infrastructure stack to fund, host and collaborate on open source software. Sovereign developers stack. It provides censorship resistant tools for developers to host code, collaborate, and receive sustainable funding. Core technology, Radical and Drips. The ecosystem is powered by a peer to peer code collaboration platform and a protocol for continuous funding of software dependencies. Community driven governance. The RAD token governs the network treasury and direction through a decentralized autonomous organizations DAO. Radworks project institution rating is 4. Radworks token total supply is 99.99 million and circulating supplies around 59.07 million RAD token. RAD token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Gate.io, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.